Assalamualaikum. I'm Shagufta Ashik from the Cambridge School System. It's my English lecture. Today we are going to learn page number 10. Page number 10, and on this page we will learn use of it is a. Use of it is a. So it is used for the objects. It is used for the object, and a we already discussed about a in our previous lectures. So today we are going to learn use of it is a. So look at this picture, students. What is it? What is it? It's a car. It's a car. Here we use it is a car. It's a car. What is it? It's a car. So we move to the next picture, students. What is it? What is it? It's a bag. It's a bag. We say with full sentence. We say the full sentence is it is a bag. It is a bag. So we move to the next picture. What is it, student? It's table. It's table, and here we write it is a table. It is a table. So we move to the next picture. What is it? What is it, student? It is a pencil. It is a pencil, and we write here it is a pencil. It is a pencil. So we move to the next page. Next page is a page number 11. On this page we will learn the use of it is an. Use of it is an. So students, one thing that I want to tell you that is that the use of a and an is the same that we have already discussed in our previous lectures. Means that if a noun start with a consonant, then article a is used. But if a noun start with a vowel, then article an is used. And it is used for objects. So look at this picture. It's a onion. It's a onion. Onion is a noun. Onion is a noun, and it start with a vowel. It start with a vowel. That's where here article an is used. It is an onion. It is an onion. So we move to the next picture, students. What is it? What is it? It's an iron. It's an iron. We say the complete sentence. It's an iron. It's an iron. Iron. We move to the next picture. Look at this picture, students. What is it? It's an eagle. It's an eagle, and we write the complete sentence here. It is an eagle. I write here the article an because eagle is a noun and it starts with the vowel e. So here we write it is an eagle. We move to the next picture. Look at this picture, student. What is it? What is it? It's an arm. It's an arm, and we write the complete sentence. It's an arm. Because here arm is a noun and it starts with the vowel a, so that's why we use here article an. So it's an arm. We move to the next page. Next page number is 11, and in this page there is an exercise related to the article a and an. So put a or an in the given spaces. In the given spaces. So article a is used if a noun start with a consonant, and article an is used if a noun start with a vowel. So look at this picture, students. It's a hen. It's a hen, and we complete this sentence by putting the correct article. It is dash hen. Hen is a noun, and it start with a consonant h. H is a consonant, and that's why we write here the article a. Article a. It is a hen. So look at this picture, students. What is it? It's an eye. It's an I, we write here the correct article by depending the noun. So our noun is the I, and I start with the vowel E. So that's why here the article an is used. It is an I. It is an I. Look at this picture, students. It's an arrow. It's an arrow, and arrow is a noun, and it start with the vowel. It start with the vowel, and that's why we write here article an. Article an. It is an arrow. It is an arrow. So we move to our next picture. What is it? What is it, students? It's an hill. It's a hill, and hill start with the consonant H. Consonant H, and that's why we write here article a. It is a hill. So it's your homework, students, to make more and more practice by putting article a and an in this way. I will meet you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.